I see a lot of guys who have very, detailed, nice cars, but they always have really dirty fog light benzels on the inside where the vents are and stuff like that. So it's like, come on, guys, it's so dried out. It doesn't take a lot to get this thing going. First, I start with this, and then I work my way up. Where is it? And then I put that bad boy on, and that kind of solves everything. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. Got to clean this whole fog light. I think I might even throw a little yellow over that one just because, but just want everything to look nice deep black. This way it looks a lot better from a distance, because that is a big difference from what it looked like. Whew. Very dried out. There's that little piece that's still dry. These are a little bit more difficult to do. Not perfect by far, but the beauty is when you F up, it goes on the bottom of a car, you really don't see it, and plus you have the plastic surround. So I never really care about the edges. But I buy this stuff on Amazon. Just clear. These are yellow already, but I figured, let's just really make them yeller-er, right? Yeller-er, I guess, is a new word. But then you have to use the good old heat gun. You have to do that to kind of get it in there and do what you can. But this particular one has a, I didn't notice it. It has this extra lip there that, I don't know, the S4s don't have. From a distance, you can't tell. Right up close, you can see a lot of these crinks. But I tried my best to get as many of them out as I can. But it is what it is.